Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will see some more practice questions based on differentiation. The practice questions from 13 to 15. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathee@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Let's start with question number 13, which says if the function fx is equal to minus 4 e to the power 1 minus x by 2 plus 1 plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 and gx is equal to f inverse x, then the value of g dash minus 7 by 6 is equal to. So since the hint of this question is C, the function fx is given as this, right? And we have to find g dash of x, and gx is basically f inverse x, right? So to find gx, we must find f inverse x, right? Clear? So fx is given, we can find f inverse x, right? So once we find f inverse x, then we can apply f inverse x equal to gx, and we can easily differentiate gx to get the value of g dash minus 7 by 6, right? So you have 10 seconds to think about the question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay, let's move to the solution part. See, since gx is basically f inverse x, right? So f of gx is basically x, clear? Because f inverse comes this side, so f of gx will be x, right? Now let's differentiate both sides. So we will get differentiation of composite function will be f dash gx into g dash x, and differentiation of x will be 1, right? So f dash gx into g dash x is equal to 1. Therefore, g dash x can be written as equal to 1 by f dash gx, right? Therefore, g dash minus 7 by 6 is 1 upon f dash g of minus 7 by 6. Clear? G of minus 7 by 6, right? G of x is basically f inverse x, right? So g dash minus 7 by 6 can be written as 1 upon f dash f inverse minus 7 by 6. Clear? 1 upon f dash f inverse minus 7 by 6, because g of minus 7 by 6 can be written as f inverse minus 7 by 6, right? Now, since we know that f1 can be written as c, how we will find f1? We will put the value of x as 1 in this equation, right? So f1 is minus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 equal to minus 7 by 6, right? Therefore, f inverse minus 7 by 6 is f1 is basically minus 7 by 6, right? So f inverse minus 7 by 6 will be 1. Clear? Clear? Because this f inverse f goes to another side to become f inverse. Clear? So f inverse minus 7 by 6 will be 1. Clear? F inverse minus 7 by 6 will be 1. Now, it is equal to, now this term g dash minus 7 by 6 is basically 1 by f dash f inverse minus 7 by 6, and f inverse minus 7 by 6 is 1. Therefore, g dash minus 7 by 6 can be written as 1 by f dash 1, right? 1 by f dash 1. And now, since fx is this, so what will be f dash x? F dash x will be minus 4 e to the power 1 minus x by 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus x square, right? So what will be f dash 1? F dash 1, let's put x equal to 1. So minus 4, this is 0, into minus 1 by 2, which will be 2, and this is 1 plus 1, 3. Clear? So f dash 1 is 5. Therefore, g dash minus 7 by 6 is equal to 1 upon f dash 1 is equal to 1 upon 5. Clear? So answer is basically 1 by 5. Clear? So g dash minus 7 by 6 is basically 1 by 5. Got it? Crystal clear? Okay. So I think option A is the right choice. 1 by 5. Clear? A is the right choice. Let's move to the next question. Question number 14, which says, if fx is equal to x minus 1 to the power 100, x minus 2 to the power 2 into 99, x minus 3 to the power 3 to the power 3 into 98, till x minus 100 to the power 100, then we have to find the value of f dash 101 upon f101. Clear? So the hint of this question is, see, when you will see this question, you will see there is certain pattern going on, right? So fx can be written as product of x minus 1 to the power I into 100 minus I, right? I into 100 minus I, because, and I, here I is 1, 100 minus I is 100 minus I is 100 minus 0, right? Like that. Clear? So like this thing, you will get the required sequence, right? After that, you can apply f dash, you can take log of that sequence, right? And differentiate both sides to get the required value, right? Okay. So you have 10 seconds to solve this question or think about this question. And after 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay, let's move to the solution part C. As we discussed, fx can be written as summation of I is equal to 1 to 100 x minus I to the power I into 101 minus I, right? 101 minus I. Clear? 101 minus I. See, when you will put I is equal to 1, see, you will get x minus 1 to the power 100, because 100 into 101 minus 1. 1 into 101 minus 1, which is 100. Clear? Plus x minus 2 to the power 2 into 99, right? Like that. So let's take log both sides, right? So log fx is equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to 100. I, this will go here. I into 101 minus I log x minus I. Clear? Now let's take derivative both sides in LHS and RHS. So f dash x upon fx is equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to 100 I into 101 minus I into differentiation of log x minus I is 1 by x minus I. Clear? Now let's put x equal to 101. X equal to 101. So f dash 101 upon f101 is equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to 100 I into 101 minus I upon 101 minus I. Clear? Now 101 minus I and 101 minus I will be cancelled out. Clear? 101 minus I and 101 minus I will be cancelled out. Now it is equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to 100 I. Clear? Now it is summation of I natural number from 1 to 100. Clear? Which is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. The formula. So which is equal to 100 into 101 by 2. So this will be 101 into 50, which is 50. Clear? Answer is 5050. Right? So I think option A is the right choice. A is the right choice. Okay. Got it? Let's move to the next question. Question number 15, which says the derivative of function represented parametrically as x is equal to 2t minus mod t and y is equal to t cube plus t square mod t at t equal to 0 is. Right. So we have to take derivative of the function this. Clear? So again, you can see that values of x and values of y are given in terms of t, right? So we can find the value of dx by dt and dy by dt, right? Clear? The derivative of function expressed represented parametrically here, and we can find dy by dx by dividing dy by dt and dx by dt, right? One thing you can think that it is mod t, right? So when t is greater than 0, this will be x will be 2t minus t, which is t, and y will be tq plus t cube, that is 2t cube. And when t is less than 0, x will be equal to t and y will be equal to 0. Clear? So that's how you can approach this question, right? So you have 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution. Okay, let's move to the solution part C. Given x is equal to 2t minus mod t and y is equal to t cube plus t square mod t. Now clearly x is equal to t and y equal to 2t cube when t greater than equal to 0, as we have discussed. And x equal to 3t and y equal to 0 when t is less than 0, right? On eliminating parameter. Now on eliminating parameter t, we will get C. When we will eliminate parameter t, we will get y is equal to 2x cube. Clear? Y is equal to C. X is equal to t and y is equal to 2t cube. So put t is equal to x here. So y is equal to 2x cube when x greater than equal to 0 and y equal to 0 when x less than 0. Right? So this is y in terms of x by eliminating parameter t. Now let's find dy by dx, right? We can have also applied dx by dt and dy by dt and divide dy by dt upon dx by dt to get the value of dy by dx. But this is easy approach. This is seems easy approach here to eliminate t directly, right? So that we don't have to take derivative with respect to t and then divide, right? We can directly apply derivative of dy by dx by eliminating t, right? So eliminating t would be the smart choice here, right? Now dy by dx can be written as dy by dx equal to 6x square when x greater than 0 and 0 when x less than 0. Now we have to find derivative at t equal to 0. Now since left hand derivative at x equal to 0 is equal to right hand derivative at x equal to 0, right? Therefore, its derivative at x equal to 0 will be equal to 0, right? Clear? Right. So I think option B is the right choice. 0 is the answer. Okay. Clear? So in this way, we have finished discussing different types of questions of differentiation, right? Okay. Thank you so much.